crucial that governments act right now to reduce climate change, and that we all think about our personal impact on the planet. Morning everyone, and welcome to Amsterdam. Today's video is all about flights. We got here on a train and we're going to be talking about why we did that.
The train journey was really lovely. Fantastic scenery, nice comfy seats, sipping a coffee, doing some work. The journey becomes part of the destination.
Obviously we've got a new book coming out, How to Live Vegan. If you want to grab a copy of that, grab the link down in the description below. And the whole thing about that is climate change, right? We're talking about climate change, what's going on with all the carbon we're putting into the atmosphere, and how you can stop it through eating vegan food. So, in order to live in line with our morals, we're doing the entire tour by train.
So we're in the American Book Centre in the middle of Amsterdam, and we've come to sign BOSH and Bish Bash Bosh. Now these guys have got loads of copies of it, which is great to see. International vegan vibes all over the place.
Cool, done. Next up, train. So we're here in Amsterdam train station and we thought we'd come and grab a little bit of food. Now, we've got some little picky bits of fruits, which is always a great thing to grab on the go if you're vegan and hungry. But also, it may be early in the morning, but we thought we would grab a little burrito. We've got like a little Mexican joint here, and luckily they do veggie burrito.
So I've got a burrito and I went for the hot sauce, and trust me, the hot sauce is hot. It's like dragon hot.
And what time is it?
Like 11 AM?
10 AM or 10:30, whatever time it is now, is definitely too early for a burrito, but I'm going to be doing this anyway. Ian's in pain from the spiciness, which is worrying me a little bit. Let's have a go. I mean, it's mainly just rice, that bite. Not a load of flavour in there. Let's try and go for the other side. Very tasty. It wasn't too spicy actually. I think Ian may have just overdone it with the hot sauce. If you are in Amsterdam, definitely hunt this place out if you're in the train station. The Mexican Kitchen Salsa Shop. Next up is the serious bit of this video. We're going to get on the Eurostar and talk about climate change. So, climate change. Here we are on the train, and the reason we've got the train is because we're being really conscious about our carbon footprint. We have just written this book actually. One second. This little book, which is called How to Live Vegan. And you see on the back, the tagline is Save the planet, one change at a time. This book is all about the climate and how bad the climate situation is. We may be past the point of no return. It's crucial that governments act right now, and that we all think about our personal impact on the planet. Go for it. Sorry. No, it's fine. Just hanging out by the toilets. Eating a vegan diet saves an incredible amount of carbon dioxide, but also flying a jet plane from London to New York and back again can put a load of that carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So what we're doing on this book tour is to travel everywhere by train to make sure that we're really acting in line with our morals. Looking forward then, I think you can expect we'll be flying a lot less. Definitely if we're going around Europe, we're going to take the train. If you want to fly, if you have to fly, that's your call. If you need to take your family on family holidays, that's your call too. But for us, we're going to be flying a lot less and taking trains wherever we can. So Ian, how do you feel about this whole situation?
Well, this whole situation is quite a strange one, isn't it? Because, frankly, I like visiting different countries. But sometimes you just have to sort of think to yourself, how important is that experience? Yes, it's important, but do you have to fly? And the answer, if you're going to Europe, is no, you don't. You can jump on a train like we're on right now and have a great time on the journey. You can sit there, read a book, you can look out the window, you can have a chat. The journey becomes part of the trip, and the trip is fun. Now, when it comes to the actual plane travel, I think, again, we'll be thinking long and hard about whether or not we should be travelling by plane. For a little while now, we've been working with our PR agency on our company manifesto, which will include a big chunk about flying and when we should and how we can get from point A to point B in the most environmentally friendly way possible. Sorry. Yeah. that's going to be coming to our website real soon. We'll make it publicly available so you can have a read of it, and what's more, you can comment on it and let us know what you think about it and if there's anything that we've missed. Because Henry and I, we're not perfect. We're just two blokes from Sheffield who happen to cook vegan food reasonably well. If you've got any information that you think will help us live a more sustainable lifestyle, do send it over because we're all ears. Anyway, we're on a train. The next stop is London St Pancras. If you have enjoyed this vlog, please let us know in the comment section below. If you've subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, you should do so now because lots more content just like this is coming your way very soon, and recipe videos. We're doing one every single day. It has been a pleasure chatting to you, and tomorrow we will see you once more. Bish, bash, bosh.